The internet has opened up a world of opportunities to make money. From freelancing to e-commerce, the digital age has made it easier than ever to earn an income from the comfort of your home. However, with these opportunities come risks, and not all that glitters is gold. Some online ventures are legitimate, offering real ways to earn money. But lurking in the shadows are scams designed to exploit your desire for easy income. These scams can be sophisticated, preying on your hopes and dreams. One such scam is the footpick hustle, which falls squarely into the latter category. It promises quick and easy money by selling pictures of your feet, but the reality is far from what it seems. This scam preys on people looking for quick and easy ways to make money online, promising significant earnings by selling foot pictures. The allure of making money with minimal effort is strong, especially in tough economic times. However, the truth is far from glamorous or profitable. Many who fall for this scam end up disappointed and financially strained. They invest time and sometimes money only to find that the promised earnings never materialize. This scheme is designed to steal your money, leaving you with nothing but empty promises and financial loss. The scammers are skilled at making their offers look legitimate, but their true intent is to deceive and defraud. The footpick hustle operates under the guise of a legitimate business opportunity. Scammers create professional-looking websites and social media profiles to lure in unsuspecting victims. Scammers, often posing as coaches or mentors, target individuals with claims of a lucrative market for foot pictures. They promise guidance and support, making it seem like a real business venture. They'll use social media, online forums, and even email marketing to spread their deceitful message. They bombard potential victims with success stories and testimonials, all fabricated to build trust. Their goal is to convince you that selling foot pictures is a viable way to achieve financial freedom. They paint a picture of easy money and financial independence, but it's all a facade. Don't be fooled. This is a classic bait-and-switch tactic. The initial offer seems enticing, but once you're hooked, the reality is a web of lies and deceit. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from these online scams. The allure of easy money is a powerful motivator. Scammers understand this and exploit it ruthlessly. They'll bombard you with testimonials often fabricated of people who claim to have made a fortune selling foot pictures. These success stories are designed to ignite your imagination and convince you that you too can achieve similar results. They'll boast about exorbitant earnings, flexible hours, and the freedom to work from anywhere. However, remember the old adage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. No legitimate business opportunity relies solely on outlandish promises. The footpick hustle thrives on deception, creating a fantasy world where minimal effort leads to substantial rewards. This is a clear warning sign that something is amiss. Once they've piqued your interest, these scammers will introduce you to their exclusive platform. They make it sound like a secret club, a hidden gem that only a select few have access to. The allure of exclusivity is powerful, and they know it. They promise you that this is the place where you can finally make money from your foot pictures, connecting you with buyers who are willing to pay top dollar. These scammers are masters at creating a sense of urgency and excitement. They often use flashy graphics and persuasive language to make their platform seem legitimate and highly desirable. They might even show you fake testimonials from supposed users who have made a fortune using their service. This platform, they claim, is where you'll connect with eager buyers willing to pay top dollar for your foot pictures. They paint a picture of a bustling marketplace, full of opportunities and financial rewards. But there's a catch. You have to pay a monthly fee to access this supposed goldmine. The fee might seem small at first, just a minor investment to get started, but this is where the scam becomes apparent. Once you start paying, you quickly realize that the promised buyers and sales never materialize. Instead, you're left with a recurring charge on your credit card and no way to recoup your losses. This is where the scam becomes apparent. Legitimate platforms for selling photographs or digital content typically charge a commission on sales, not a recurring fee for access. They make money when you make money, aligning their interests with yours. The monthly fee serves two purposes for the scammer. First, it creates a steady stream of income for them, regardless of whether you make any sales. This ensures that they profit from every new victim who signs up, even if the platform itself is completely useless. Second, it adds an air of legitimacy to their operation. People are more likely to believe in something they've invested in, even if that investment is based on false pretenses. The act of paying a fee can make the platform seem more credible, tricking you into thinking that it's a real opportunity. First, it creates a steady stream of income for them, regardless of whether you make any sales. This ensures that they profit from every new victim who signs up, even if the platform itself is completely useless. Second, it adds an air of legitimacy to their operation. People are more likely to believe in something they've invested in, even if that investment is based on false pretenses. Second, it adds an air of legitimacy to their operation. People are more likely to believe in something they've invested in, even if that investment is based on false pretenses. The act of paying a fee can make the platform seem more credible, tricking you into thinking that it's a real opportunity. So, always be cautious and do your research before investing in any online platform. Look for reviews, check for red flags, and remember that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protect yourself from these scams and save your hard-earned money. Section 4. Fake demand and bots creating an illusion. To further lure you into their web of deception, scammers will often create the illusion of high demand for foot pictures. They'll flood their platform with fake accounts, often controlled by bots, that pose as eager buyers. These bots will shower you with compliments, express interest in your pictures, and even offer to pay exorbitant prices. This orchestrated frenzy is designed to convince you that you're on the verge of striking it rich. However, this manufactured demand is nothing more than smoke and mirrors. The bots are not real buyers, and the compliments and offers are empty gestures. Their sole purpose is to keep you hooked, feeding your hopes of making easy money and ensuring you continue paying your monthly fees. Section 5. Red flags and how to protect yourself. Protecting yourself from the foot pick hustle and similar scams requires a healthy dose of skepticism and vigilance. In today's digital age, scams are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it essential to stay informed and alert. Scammers often prey on our desires and vulnerabilities, promising quick and easy solutions to our problems. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Here are some red flags to watch out for. First, be cautious of any unsolicited messages or emails that promise you easy money. Scammers often use enticing language to lure you in, but their ultimate goal is to exploit you. Promises of easy money. Be wary of any opportunity that guarantees quick and easy riches with minimal effort. These schemes often require you to invest money up front or provide personal information, which can lead to financial loss or identity theft. Monthly fees. Legitimate platforms rarely charge recurring fees for access. If a service asks for a monthly subscription without a clear and transparent explanation, it's a red flag. Always read the fine print and understand what you're signing up for. Fake testimonials. Don't be swayed by glowing testimonials, especially if they seem too good to be true. Scammers often create fake reviews to build credibility. Look for reviews from multiple sources and verify their authenticity. High-pressure sales tactics. Beware of anyone pressuring you to make a quick decision or invest a significant sum of money up front. Scammers use urgency to cloud your judgment and push you into making hasty decisions. If you encounter any of these red flags, it's best to walk away. Trust your instincts and take the time to research and verify any opportunity before committing. Remember, if something feels off, it probably is. Your intuition is a powerful tool in protecting yourself from scams. Don't ignore those uneasy feelings. Don't let the allure of easy money cloud your judgment. Scammers rely on our desire for quick solutions, but staying grounded and realistic can help you avoid falling into their traps. By staying informed, skeptical, and cautious, you can protect yourself from falling victim to the foot pick hustle and other online scams. Educate yourself about common scam tactics, stay updated on the latest fraud trends, and always verify the legitimacy of any offer. Your safety and financial well-being are worth the extra effort.